Hi, this is James from Optical Mirror. Today I'm going to teach you a really easy way to make an infinity mirror. First, you'll need three things: a regular mirror, a two-way mirror, and an LED light strip. Now you're going to want to take this light strip and sandwich it between the two mirrors, causing that light to bounce back and forth between them, and that creates the infinity effect. Let me show you what's in this. I got it for $15 on Amazon, by the way. It's made by Wenice. Comes with the power plug, a remote control so you can change the colors or make it go strobing, a music reactive controller box that will allow your mirror to bump along with the music. It'll also accept IR input from the remote control and plug into the tape. Now, once you have it plugged in, you'll kind of want to shape it within your mirrors to create the effect that you want. So I've got a few metal standoffs here to help with that. And now just wrap the tape around the perimeter. Of course, this comes with an adhesive backing, so when you're ready to finalize it, just remove the backing and affix it just like regular tape. Okay, we'll wrap it around the edge there and take this mirror and just plop it down on top. And boom, there you have it. A really simple way to make an inexpensive infinity mirror. This is James from Optical Mirror. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the dinger for alerts, as well as, if you want to, leave a comment below and I'll answer any of your questions. Until next time,